As this is the second part of our lesson, our state, our pride. In the first part, we had learned the 4 regions of Karnataka. Today, we will be learning about the rivers. There are some rivers which flow from west towards east, and there are also some rivers which flow from east towards the west sides. Now, let's see which are the rivers which flows from west towards east. West flowing rivers. West flowing rivers are Sharavati, Kali, Aghara Shaini and Netravati. These are the west flowing rivers. And next is east flowing rivers. Now east flowing rivers are Kaveri, Krishna, Hemavati, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha, Bhima and Tungabhadra. Now Kaveri is also called as the Gangas of the South India, and Krishna is the second longest river. Now Tungabhadra is the perennial river. Now what do you mean by perennial? Perennial rivers are those rivers which flow throughout the season. That means all 12 months these rivers will be full of water. So Tungabhadra is one of the perennial rivers of Karnataka. After the rivers, now let's see the important places or the places of attractions of Karnataka. There are many different places which are the places of attractions. Now, thousands of tourists visit these places or visit our state to see the importance and to visit the hill stations of these areas. Let's begin with Bangalore. It is the capital city of our Karnataka state. There are many center of attractions in this city. Let us see which are they. They are Vidhan Saudha, Vikas Saudha, High Court, Vishveshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Venkatappa Art Gallery, Tipu's Summer Palace, Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Lal Bagh and Cuban Park. These are the main places of attractions. There are many other, but these are the main center of attractions. After Bangalore, next is Mysore. In Mysore, we have some places like illuminated palaces, Chamundi Hills and zoos are the important places. And the most important one, Dasara celebration. Dasara celebration which is done in Mysore is world famous. People from different part of the world come to see the decorations that is done in Mysore during Dasara. After Mysore, the next place is Hampi. So how many of you have visited Bangalore, Mysore and Hampi? Okay, now let's visit these places with the help of our textbooks. Hampi, in your textbook you can find the famous stone chariot, the picture of a famous stone chariot. It's given in page number 231. It says that Hampi is in Ballari district and it was the capital city of Vijayanagar Empire during the king's time. When it was Vijayanagar Empire, that time Hampi was the capital of the city. The architectural work which is done in these places are very famous. The carving of Virupaksha temple, Lotus Mahal, Hazara Ramaswamy temple, etc. are very beautiful. That means there are many architectural work done in these places. After these beautiful places, there are many other places which are famous for their scenic beauties. There are many natural resorts also. Let us see which are some of the important hill stations like Nandi Hills, Baba Budangiri, Mulyangiri, Kemangundi, Kudremukha and Kodachadri. These are the important hill stations which are there in Karnataka.